kids! Today's story is about Emmy, a smart girl who had to make a big choice about money. Let's see what happened. One afternoon, Emmy sat at her little table, counting her allowance. Clink, clink, clink. She smiled and said, "Yay! I've been saving for weeks. I finally have enough for something special." At the toy shop, Emmy's eyes grew wide. Wow! The cutest teddy bear! I can finally buy it! But just then, her aunt tapped her shoulder and asked, "Emmy, didn't you say you also need notebooks for school?" Emmy froze. Should she spend her money on the fluffy teddy bear or buy the notebooks she really needed? Kids, here's the big question. Which one is a need and which one is a want? Needs are things we can't do without, like food, water, clothes, and yes, school supplies. Wants are things that are fun to have, but not necessary, like teddy bears, candy, or shiny toys. Emmy took a deep breath and smiled. I know what to do! School comes first. I'll buy my notebooks now and keep saving for the teddy bear later. Great job, Emmy. She made a smart choice. Needs before wants. And guess what? If she keeps saving, she can still enjoy that teddy bear another time. So kids, remember, needs come first, wants come later. That's how you use money wisely. Want to be smart with money like Emmy? Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun money stories on Kitty's Finance Fun.